Now, if the Chartists were the lesser known of pressure groups, today's focus and the next lesson's focus will be on a far more familiar and well-known group, the Suffragettes, linked obviously to women's suffrage and the expansion of the vote to women, whereas the Chartists were demanding votes for the men. So, a knowledge and literacy based lesson today, our initial retrieval and the green paper pen work to go with it. Then we're going to be learning initially from video today. So again, the rationale, students are far more likely to watch than they are to read. The second most popular search engine in the world is YouTube. It's actually the first if you're talking to teenagers. If you are going to get your information from video, you have to be able to extract that very efficiently. So consequently, we would like that organiser to be filled out based upon that documentary that you're going to watch. Then we're going to fill in any gaps from a literacy activity based around these 9 sources, which also moves on to look at the death of Emily Davison, which we will go to in more detail later. Stretch it, compare the suffragettes to the Chartists, demands, methods, action taken against them, and results. So comparison of groups operating at different times. The Chartists were operating earlier, the suffragettes into the 20th century. Next lesson, did Emily Davison, the focus of some of those last sources, did she mean to kill herself in what became probably the most famous action of any suffragette?